You're about to embark on a journey, and you're not looking for the usual advice like rolling your clothes or comparing flight prices. No, today I'm sharing secret travel tips and hacks that are going to revolutionize your travel experience. Let's dive into a lesser-known strategy: finding travel partners for cheaper flights. Airlines often operate within alliances, like families. Imagine you're flying to Vancouver on Air Canada, but the ticket price is steep. By checking the same flight on a partner airline like United, you might find a cheaper option for the exact same flight. Yes, it's true, you're still on an Air Canada plane, but at a reduced cost because you booked through United. Understanding which airline operates your flight can also save you money and hassle. I once booked a United Airlines flight, but it was powered by Air Canada. Despite booking through United, I checked in at the Air Canada area. It sounds confusing, but once you grasp these partnerships, you'll find it much easier and cheaper to fly comfortably. Layovers can be a hidden gem for exploring new cities. Did you know that you can call the airline and request a stopover? Some airlines offer this for free or for a nominal fee. It's a great way to visit multiple countries on a single trip without breaking the bank. Booking business class seats requires flexibility. With a surge in people using credit card points, the trick is to book either a year in advance or just a few days before your flight. I recently snagged a business class seat 3 days before my trip by booking a refundable economy ticket first, then upgrading when a seat became available. It's all about timing and flexibility. Group trips can be tricky. It's essential to discuss expectations with your travel companions. Are they foodies, nature lovers, or need rest days? I always say, I'm excited for our trip and have started planning, but nothing is set in stone. Let me know what you prefer. This approach ensures everyone has a great time and avoids conflicts. Planning is key, especially for tickets to popular attractions. I use Klook, today's sponsor, for booking activities in advance. It's convenient and often cheaper. For example, in Korea, I got discounted tickets to Namsan Tower on Klook, saving money and time. When my friends and I plan a trip, we create a high, medium, and low priority list. This helps ensure everyone gets the experience they want. We then time block based on regions but stay flexible for unforeseen changes. Google Sheets and pinned maps are lifesavers for organizing your trip. Make sure your Google Sheets are available offline and use color-coded pins on maps for different activities. This prevents backtracking and makes your day more efficient. For packing, an AirTag can be invaluable. I realized this after my luggage got lost on a trip to Madrid. With an AirTag, I tracked it to London while I was in Spain, allowing me to report it missing before anyone else even knew. Travel-size skincare products and packing pajamas in your carry-on can save you in case your luggage gets lost. Wearing your heaviest clothes also helps avoid overweight baggage fees. During flights, if you fear turbulence, try writing with your opposite hand. It distracts your brain from the fear. I like to think of turbulence as a fun roller coaster ride. Requesting the emergency aisle seat after check-in can also provide more legroom without additional cost, but be aware that some emergency aisle seats do not recline. If you're using a third-party site for booking, upgrade options open up 24 hours before your flight. Alternatively, bidding for an upgrade directly through the airline is more affordable. For a good sleep on the plane, I sometimes throw a blanket over my head if I forget my sleep mask. I always choose an aisle seat since I need to get up frequently and it's more convenient. When booking hotels, Agoda and TripAdvisor can offer great deals. If you book directly through the hotel, you're more likely to get upgrades and better service. Always check for bed bugs and ensure the hot water works before settling into your room. For food, use the iron in your hotel room to heat up meals wrapped in aluminum foil. Use ice from the ice machine to create a makeshift fridge in your sink or bathtub. eSIM cards have revolutionized my travel experience. They are more convenient than pocket Wi-Fi, freeing up space and ensuring constant connectivity. I use UBG, which offers reliable 5G service in many countries. If your flight is delayed more than 3 hours, you are entitled to compensation. Always book flights with a credit card that offers travel insurance. Lounges are also a great way to spend long layovers comfortably, and some offer day passes if you don't have a membership. These are just a few of the travel tips and hacks that have made my journeys smoother and more enjoyable. Which tip was new to you? Let me know in the comments. If you found these helpful, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!